Hello, it is David Sullivan. I am presenting our locker organizer design by myself, David Sullivan, and Max Growy. I don't know if that's how you correctly pronounce his last name, but that's how I'm going to say it. First off, we have the table of contents. For our problem statement, school lockers are such a mess. Students can never find anything in their lockers, such as pens, pencils, homework, etc. This one happens to me a lot. If I put my lunch in my locker, usually by the time lunch rolls around, it's crushed. Lockers these days are just such a mess and disorganized. Some students can't even close their lockers, as shown in this picture. Our project description: we are supposed to design a high school locker organizer that will contain items commonly used at school in a neatly fashion. Our research. For our research, we looked into many of the different designs of locker organizers. The most common one is the one on the far right, the blue one. This is the one that you will find mostly at Staples or Walmart. This is the one that it's just like very generic. It doesn't have a lot of space. It can't hold a lot of weight. It's not very durable. So we started to research other different ones that have that can be more durable, such as the pink one. It has it is plastic, which is more durable than that flimsy metal of the blue one. And we also wanted to go with a design that could hold a lot of books or pencils, your phone, lunchbox. So the blue one is only has one layer on it. All the other ones on here have two layers on it. We were thinking about making one that has five layers on it, so we could easily fit everything in our locker and organize it very neatly. So our team norms. We communicated via text and email, and we only shared our files through email. We use PowerPoint, Word, and Inventor, and I did the presentation, and Max did all of the Inventor work. Start off with the chart. The intro to the virtual design challenge only took about one day. The engineering notebook obviously took the whole time, and we did this throughout a span of 10 days. Team norms, that just took us the first day. The research took us it was a little over 2 days. Our sketches took about 3 days. The matrix took about a day. Part models, that took about 3.5 days. The presentation model took 3 days, and the working drawings almost took all the time. It took 6 days, and the presentation took a while too. It took all 10 days. Design sketch. We only had one sketch because we knew what we wanted to do from the start. Here we have our dimensions on it. It's 12 inches wide, 12 inches long, and 6 feet high. For our decision matrix, we had the classic two-legged one-level locker organizer, which that was the purple picture in the research slide. And we also had the two-legged with two levels, and we also had the two-legged with five levels, and that's the one we ended up picking, as you can see from the decision matrix. This is our assembly. Here's a different angle of it. Exploded view. And we also met all of our requirements. And here's some additional pictures that I thought were really cool about what Max did. He actually put the details of different titles of books As you can see, the white one says Lord of Flies, and the blue one is his biology book. Here's his religion book in the green, and his algebra book in the red. And he also made a lunchbox with it, which I thought was really neat. And thank you for listening to me. This was our presentation. I hope you have a great day.